Hi, it's Carissa, and you've landed on Paracord Planet. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your very own custom mug handle out of shock cord and 550 paracord. These handles are great for any smooth-sided container. In our video today, we're going to use a travel mug, but we've seen people use them on water bottles, yoga mats, and even speakers. So we'd say this craft is pretty versatile. We'll get to measurements in a minute, but first, let's get to supplies. For this project, you'll need 3 16-inch shock cord, 550 paracord, adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing, a measuring tool, scissors, and a lighter. For a standard mug with this size circumference, we're going to use 28 inches of shock cord. This will allow for a handle about 5 inches long, and for that handle, we'll use 10 feet of 550 paracord. To calculate different sized or length handles, first, you'll need to find the circumference of the object you'll want to make a handle for. Take that number in inches, double it, and then subtract 2. This is how much is needed to go around your object and grip securely. Add your desired handle length, doubled, to the total, and this is how much shock cord you should need. And now let's begin. Begin by making a full circle with your shock cord. Add heat shrink tubing to secure the loop. Now, fold it in half and grab your 550 paracord. Here we're using 2 colors, so we'll have to fuse them together. To fuse, trim each cord at an angle, then melt the ends, and gently push them together before they cool. We'll start our weave a couple inches above the center point of the core loop. You can add any weave here, but we're going to make a king cobra for the handle. First, start with a simple cobra weave. Start by passing a bight of cord over top of the core and crossing the other cord over the first, like so. Now feed the same cord under the core and pull up through the bight to secure. Let's watch that one more time, starting with the other side. Continue alternating knots until you've reached your desired handle length. Now we're going to flip the project upside down and tie more cobra knots over top of the current weave to make it a king cobra weave. And finally, at the end, trim your cord a few centimeters away, melt, and flatten the ends. And there you have it. You can customize these handles to look however you want with our wide variety of paracord and shock cord at paracordplanet.com. And to make things even better, we also have kits for standard mug grip handles. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We love seeing Paracord projects from you all, so if you make this craft, be sure to tag us in it. As always, feel free to use the comments to ask questions and let us know what you think of this project. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Paracord content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.